Hey guys, it's Kawaii Taylor back, and today I'm gonna be doing how to make a cotton ball squishy. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Go subscribe to Kawaii Taylor Armstrong. Kawaii Taylor Armstrong, and you'll see me. So yeah, all you need to do to make a cotton ball bag, like a cotton ball bag, is get a sandwich bag and get cotton balls and get a pen and a Sharpie. Yeah. So now you get the bag and put cotton balls in it. So you put it in here. Okay. I'm going to put just a little bit more, and then I'm done. So I filled it up. So then you could put your cotton balls on the side because you're done with them. And now you have the cotton ball, and it is like blue. So like it is squishy. So like, okay guys, I messed it up because like I did it too bad because like this poked a big hole. So yeah, let me go get another plastic bag. So I'm gonna go put this stuff up. I'll be right back. How many? Okay. So I got it back. I'm gonna put all of them back in here. Okay. So I put it in there. You wanna seal it very good. Okay. Okay. So we need more. I'm not trying to put like that much of holes. Okay. Okay, I need one more. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. So much. How do you have to put? Okay. So you have to put a lot of holes in them. So you got it? So now I'm going to staple mine. So wait, first I'm going to put the name of it. So I'm going to put Cloud.
Here's one of your rings.
Okay. So I put Cloud. I'm gonna let it air dry, and I don't know if you have a stapler. If you don't, then then use tape. So I just staple it. a stapler. Okay, so then you staple this to here. I got 1, 2, and 3. So I stapled it. Okay, now you're done with your cloud. You're done with your squishy. So this is how you make a cloud squishy. And you can add more, but I didn't. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.